I love foods that taste great and are good for you too. That's why heart-healthy grapes are one of my favorite snacks and my secret to great tasting recipes. Grapes are a natural source of antioxidants and other beneficial polyphenols. California grapes add a juicy burst of flavor and gorgeous color too. Adding grapes to a dish makes all the difference. We all need to be eating more fruits and veggies, and an easy way to do that is to pair them up. When I entertain at home, I like to provide easy-to-make food that looks beautiful, tastes great, and is healthy too. One of my go-to dishes is Chipotle-Lime shrimp and California grape skewers that I roast in the oven. I start by making a flavorful marinade with cilantro, chipotle powder, garlic, and lime juice. I add the shrimp and fresh California grapes and make sure they're well coated. To assemble the skewers, alternate the shrimp with the grapes in a pretty pattern. Roast them in the oven for just 8 minutes. Transfer to a platter and serve. The warm, juicy grapes perfectly complement the shrimp and chipotle spice. This is a dish your guests will love. Remember, grapes from California are juicy, fresh, and delicious. They are a heart-healthy snack and a smart ingredient to make your meals more enjoyable. For these ideas and more, visit grapesfromcalifornia.com.